Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a simple look today, and I'm just going to be using the Professional primer in the areas that I have large pores and the Milani primer too. And then I'm just going to be applying some concealer for the eyeshadow to act as a primer for the eyeshadow, and just blend that in. Then I'm going to be using the Kylie palette and going in with that peachy shade. I'm just going to put that in my crease and blend it out. And then doing the same thing to the other eye, and then going in with a flatter blending brush, I'm going to be applying that peachy shade more onto my lid. And now we're going to go in with some lashes. I applied the lash glue, and then while I was waiting, I went on to my eyebrows. As I'm editing this, I literally can tell how serious and focused I am when I do makeup. It's so funny. So with eyebrows, I just like to fill in the bottom part and then slowly filling in the inside and then outlining the top, as you can see. And then I'm just applying my lashes. I do have a mini video on how to apply lashes on my Instagram, and my Instagram is just Brigarfiobeauty, and it's going to be listed down below also. And I am just finishing my eyebrows, then going in with my foundation color. I just like to clean the top of my eyebrows with a small flat brush. Then doing the same to the bottom of the eyebrow, cleaning it up. And then I messed up right there. I added too much foundation, but I just took away some of the foundation with the brush, and then I went in with the blending brush and a little bit of the powder. And I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match. I believe it is W5, and it's just applying that all over the face. And then I'm blending it out, and with this flat brush, I like patting the foundation in and also doing circular motions to get that flawless finish. And also, since this foundation is light to medium coverage, I like to build it up for a little more medium to full coverage. And since we all have those little dark under eyes, I like using the NYX color corrector to cancel out that purple under the eyes. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10. I like applying it to highlight. And then to blend out my concealer, I love using a flat foundation brush. I feel like most people don't use like the foundation brush for foundation because it leaves foundation like really streaky, but for concealer it is amazing. And just going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I like using it to give me more of a color and to cream contour a little bit. And then just blending it out with the same foundation brush that we used, or you could use the brush that you used for concealer. Going in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's my favorite. Doesn't give me any flashback. Then bronzing my face with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. I am just applying that in the same areas where I applied the creamy contour. And I'm just going to be applying some blush, then going in with the Beauty Creations highlight palette. It is so amazing and it was very affordable. I feel like I look so mad, but I swear I'm not. That's just my face. I'm just applying some of that peachy eyeshadow that we used on the bottom to darken it, and then going in with some mascara after this. I went in with a highlight in the inner corner just to brighten the eyes a little bit. Finishing it off with a Tarte lip paint. This one is really natural and close to my lip color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna link all my social media handles down below.